upset. I was on the phone my whole lunchtime. Y'all might get a hangry Miss Hernandez here in about 30 minutes. Just throwing that out there. Are y'all working on basic facts?
Yep.
Raylyn, where were you at this morning? We're testing this week. Are you going to turn on your cameras? Are you going to be in school? Or are you going to be on Zoom tomorrow? Because we have another test tomorrow. It's a really important test.
So you had an hour-long phone call?
It was close to an hour-long phone call. Yeah, it was not like an hour long, I think. Yes. So, and then I didn't have time to eat before that because we had a meeting before that. And then I was on Zoom trying to help them finish their test before that. So yeah, I haven't really had time to eat. I haven't eaten, so. Anyways. Who's me? Charlie? Oh, there's Charlie. Who's me? RJ? No, RJ's on here. Whoever's me better fix their name or you're gonna get booted out.
Okay, here we go, Bubba.
So we're working on basic facts. Let me give them a couple more minutes to join in. Where'd Raylyn go? She left.
Show her that.
No, she's here.
No.
Oh, is that today's, isn't it? Is that today's the shoes? I see what you got. Right now, Charlie, we're working on basic facts. Page, what did I say? Page, what did I say?
28.
28. See, y'all know more than me half the time. Page 28. I'm going to give them a few minutes to come back in. Maybe I can scarf down snack real quick.
Okay.
Page 28. Raylyn.
Come on.
Raylyn.
No.
Yeah.
No. Here.
Was that you, Raylyn?
Watch out, you're gonna tear
Yeah, it was me.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, and for a little bit, you're gonna make up your test that you missed this morning. Okay?
Okay.
Stop. I need to call your doctor.
Come on, Charlie. We're gonna get through this. I know it's not fun. Math is funner than reading, and it's a lot funner than the test we did this morning. I guarantee you.
No, reading is better.
I don't know. I mean, I guess it's debatable. Some days I like.
No.
Like last week I didn't like reading because it was poetry that much, but this week it's interesting because it's at Echidna.
I only like reading poetry.
Yeah, so keep working on page 28. Hold on real fast. Let me show y'all what to do. Charlie, let me show you what to do so you can maybe get started on it. Let me see. I'll show you real fast. I already lost my page. No, I didn't lose my page. Fact families. Y'all are going to help me answer some of these. Let me see. Zoom in. Actually, let me share my screen. Some of you are probably almost done with this. Natalie, you want to help me with the first one? So these are our factors right here. What are we going to put in here first for number 1?
11 times 11 equals 11.
So 11 times 11 equals 11 times 1? Is that what you said?
Yes.
11 times 1 equals 11. And what's our next one?
1 times 11 equals 11.
1 times 11 equals 11. And now we have to divide. I don't know. I don't know Charlie, what y'all did. You multiply on this side. And then here you're going to divide on these two. So what are we going to divide next? Oh, you can't see that. What are we going to divide next?
11 divided by 1 equals 11.
11 divided by 1 equals 11. What's that?
11 divided by 11 equals 1.
11 divided by 11 equals 1. Most of y'all should have this. Keep going, and I am going to go get Raylyn started on that test since she wasn't here this morning, and I don't want her to double up tomorrow. And then I will be back with y'all. Okay? Page 28. If you have any questions about what we're doing, Natalie, if anybody jumps in, can you please let them know we're doing page 28 in our math? Got it?
Charles, I'm fixing to go get your daddy, and he's going to be very mad. Come here. Look, pay attention to what she's doing, okay? 11 times 1, right, equals 11. 1 times.
Go ahead and mute. But if I leave, let me see. No, I need to join the breakout room. I'm gonna have to stop sharing. Yes. I need cameras on. Cameras on. Let's go over a few of these basic facts, I guess. We'll go over a few. Cameras on. I want to see it. Yes. Shining faces like Anello's. Anello's shining face. On the bright side, for a few of y'all, scores were up a little bit. I looked at your writing for y'all took this morning. Scores were up a little bit for some of y'all. I'm not going to say specifically right now what they were. We'll track and we'll look back at them maybe tomorrow after our reading test. We'll look back at it, but they weren't too bad considering we didn't do a lot of revising and editing this year. We haven't yet, but you'll be ready. Be waiting for it. Okay, let's see. I guess I should share my screen, right? It probably makes sense. So on this side, Charlie, I know this is new to you. This side, we're going to be multiplying. And then this side, we're going to be dividing. That's why I kind of separate it for you. For number 2, who wants to do number 2? Emma, where are you? I saw you. You want to do number 2 for us? Go ahead and unmute yourself to the world. Let's do number 2.
3 times 12 equals 36.
Wait, say it again. I could barely hear you.
3 times 12 equals 36.
Probably because I had my volume down. Equals 36. And then we flip these two numbers and 12. Now we multiply what?
12 times 3 equals 36.
12 times 3 equals 36. So we're just flipping them. Nothing too challenging there. Those are our factors. And then that's our product right there. That's our product in every single one of these. What about division?
36 times 3 equals 12.
36 divided by 3 equals 12. And what's next?
36 divided by 12 equals 3.
And then 36 divided by 12 equals 3. So same thing here. We're going to be dividing by 36, but we're just switching out these two factors. Let's do number 3. Thank you, Emma. Whoa. Where is Daniel? You want to help us with this one? Where's Daniel? He was on here. Ah!
Yeah.
Here, sorry. Can y'all see it? My bad.
Anything times 11 is real easy. So
Let's do 11.
7 times 11 is 77. And then you switch the two factors around, and then 11 times 7, 77.
Bingo! There you go. What's next?
So then you divide. 77 divided by 11 is 7.
Uh-huh.
And then 77 divided by 7 is 11.
Bingo. You know what I know? What we didn't do? Our reading's all messed up this week. Our reading test. FYI, for y'all that are always on schedule and wanting to know the schedule, we are not taking our reading test on Friday this week. These next couple of weeks are a little bit different since we have this testing. Ooh. Let's do number 7. I'm going to skip down to number 7. We're going to skip. I'll let y'all do the rest by yourself later if you haven't already finished, which I'm assuming quite a few of y'all have already finished. Let's do number 7. So it says, which number sentence is in the same fact family as 12 times 9? Or 12 times 9. What am I looking at? 12 times 10. What is 12 times 10? Who can tell me what 12 times 10 is? Somebody can unmute themselves and just go real fast.
120.
Bingo, girlfriend, 120. So you can carry your 0, and then you're left to multiply 12 times 1, which gets you 120. So when we're looking for our fact families, you're either multiplying or dividing. So I can go through here and get rid of C and D because they are not multiplying anywhere. And then I'm going to go through here and see which one has these numbers in every single problem. That looks so disgusting. Which has these numbers, these factors in this product in the answer choice. Which one? What is our answer for that one? Oh, what is it?
It's B.
B? Okay. All right. Let's go back up top. Hold on. I'm gonna get some people cut up here.
Okay, I finished. I'm gonna submit it.
And if y'all aren't done yet, y'all finish the rest. Charlie, let me know when you got done with number 2 and 3, and then I'll go over number 4. Send me a chat. I know we move kind of fast through these.
Wait, what? What did you say?
I said, I was telling Charlie, I told him let me know when he's done with 2 and 3, and then I'm gonna go over number 4 again.
Okay.
Slowly, for y'all that are probably already done. Did y'all do 5 yesterday?
Yeah, but it wouldn't let me submit.
Oh, I'm gonna go check.
It said error.
Operation Warp Speed. This is like, that's what they call the COVID vaccine trial thing. They're trying to get the vaccine. Operation Warp Speed. Make sure you have your math journal for y'all that are done. Make sure you have your math journal by you. I think today, instead of building with these fancy little pictures, we're gonna sketch because I think it will be a little bit easier. I'm gonna do a lot of multiplication today. A lot of multiplication. Just make sure it's nearby. We're not gonna be using it right this minute. We got about 30 minutes until we'll use it, but let me see. Charlie, put the thumbs up emoji there when you've got 2 and 3 done, so I can go over 4 a little bit slower, and you can do it with us.
How do you put the emoji if I'm done?
It's on the side, right, guys? It says like, I think it's on the side somewhere, or at the bottom maybe.
So are we not using our math binder today?
We're not gonna be using it a lot because there's not a lot of math in there for multiplication. Where's the thumbs up little thing, guys? I know y'all have it.
Reactions on the bottom of your screen on that.
On the bottom of your screen, it should say reactions. It starts with an R. I don't have it.
For some reason, on the laptop, it doesn't have that.
Or you can just give me a thumbs up, Charlie, if you're done. That works for me because they'll do that too.
My laptop had.
Charlie, are we good? Not yet? Okay. I can tell by.
And I'm also and I also just have 2 that are not done, like 5 and 6.
Okay, finish them then right now so you don't have to do them later. Because I'm working with Charlie. Or you're going to move a little slower. Because I don't know what kind of math he did as old school or how they did math. But I know for some of y'all can finish one of these in 3 minutes.
Are we doing problem solving after this?
Bingo! Somebody's staring in our window. That was weird. I looked over there and they're creeping in the window. Yeah, we're going to do problem solving.
Okay.
Problem solving, and then skills, and then concept. 2 by 2 multiplication. We're doing a lot of the area model, the box. As Anello knows it, I should give you a few of y'all practice problems, see if y'all can do it.
I don't really like area model.
I can give you a few practice problems, I bet. Anello, I might give you one. You want a practice problem? Let me see if you can get it.
Hard.
Trust me, once I teach y'all the area model or the other way, some of y'all will get it in 2 seconds. I'm gonna give a few of y'all some problems to work on. Let me see. Come on, Charlie, you can do it. Let me see. Anello, I'm gonna send you a practice problem. Let's see if you can get it. Emma, I can give you one. You can draw it like we did yesterday if you want to get your answer. you can, I don't think we know the area model because we didn't really cover it that much yesterday. Emma, I'm sending you one. And Natalie B, I'm gonna send you one. Let me see if y'all can get the answer while we wait for Charlie to finish that up. Charlie, you ready? So I can go start one with you. Y'all three see. I want to see if y'all can get the answer.
I'm not ready.
Okay. The rest of y'all finish it up. I see y'all three working. Y'all can use, y'all three that I gave the problem, y'all can use these little things you want, or you can draw it out. Look at Natalie, she's going. But Natalie, I'm going to expect you, well, I expect all of y'all to learn it, either the blocks or the standard way, but I don't want y'all drawing things out. I want y'all to learn it the big 5th grade type of way, and I know y'all can learn it. And now that you're learning 2x2 multiplication, I can guarantee you it's going to be in your problem solving like nobody's business. It's going to be in there almost every single week in the future. Now you know it. What did I give y'all? 13 times 13, I think. Oops. 13 times 13. Whoa, somebody just came running down that hallway. Y'all can send me a chat when y'all are done.
We do the rest ourselves on the 4 and 5 and 6.
Let's do number 4. You want to do number 4 with me?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. What do you got? Let's do it together. You can unmute yourself and do it with us. And then I'll let you do 5 and 6 by yourself later on, okay? So we're going to multiply, Charlie, on number 4. What do we multiply first?
Times.
We are going to multiply. What 2 numbers, though? These 2 numbers right here.
2 and 12 and 24.
24 is our answer. Hello? No. Yeah. No, she hasn't been on it. All right. Bye. That phone like that one day. Okay, yeah, 12 times 2, and now we switch them. Oops, I just gave you the answer. Now we do 12 times 2 equals 24. Oh, that's wrong. That's crazy. 24. Oh, did y'all get it? Let me see. Y'all are popping up in my chat. I know y'all got it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Natalie B, good. Anella, try it again. I think I know what maybe you may have done. 13, 9, 3. Oh, I know what you did. I know what you did. I know what you did, Anella. I know what you did. It's good to know. Are we ready for the next part, Charlie? Let's do this next part. Let's divide. 24 is going to go first on each one of these. 24 divided by... You're going to either divide by 12 or you're going to divide by 2. So you can do 24 divided by 2 equals, oh my goodness, my handwriting is getting terrible. My handwriting is getting terrible. Anella, remember when you're multiplying the bottom part, the 1 times the 3 and then the 1 times the 1, you have to put them on the below the 39 you got up top.
I can't do it. I don't know what to do after you're done sketching everything out.
How much is there? Count it all up. Add it.
Okay.
Let's see what you get. That's the next part. I want to see how many of y'all actually know. And then we get 2. Did you get that, Charlie? Thumbs up if you finished that number. What was that, number 4?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, what I want you to do, I want you to do 5 and 6 by yourself tonight as homework or a little bit later during the break or something. Got it? Just 5 and 6. Put a circle around them. The rest of you are finishing everything. Charlie, I want you to try 5 and 6. And I want to see tomorrow morning what you got for it. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, let's move on, guys. Charlie, we're going to move on. What did I say? Problem solving. Page 6. Page 6 in your math binder, Charlie. I think your mom said this one you were trying to do earlier and it wouldn't let you do it. Page 6, I believe, unless my binder's wrong. Page 6, RJ. Oh, just like yesterday's problem solving. Let's see. For y'all that were trying multiplication, kudos. Page 6. Everybody on page 6, thumbs up. I want to see page 6. Yeah. So Emma asked earlier, we're really not going to be using our math binder. Not a lot today or tomorrow because there's not a lot of math. Just our problem solving, our skills, and if you have time for basic facts. Okay. Page 6, Charlie, in your math binder, where you found this paper at. So go back into your math binder and go to page 6. They're at the bottom. Oh, whoa, whoa. Go ahead, Charlie. Go back quickly. Where did y'all go? I hate when I do that. I lost y'all. Hold on, I lost y'all. Oh, there y'all are. I lost y'all. Sorry. I don't know where y'all went. Where did y'all go? Oh, this is fun. I didn't know you could do that. Anyways, okay. Natalie, go ahead and read us this one. I can't find y'all. I can't see y'all.
Oh, Mr. Nanas,
Yes. Can y'all see?
I already found the answer.
You found the answer? We'll see if you found the answer. Ha, ha, ha. Oh, there it is. Let's see if you found the right answer, Daniel. Hope you did. Natalie, where are you? You're reading.
I'm right here.
Okay, go ahead, read. I found y'all. I was trying to find y'all.
To raise money for a field trip, Miss Nixon's 4th grade class sold 163 stickers and 484 pencils during a fundraiser. The stickers sold for 3 each. The pencils sold for 2 each. Which set of occasions can be used to find A, the amount the class raised for the fundraiser?
Ah, your voice, Natalie. You're going to be reading children's books one day on Mayan, I think. All right, let's highlight our question. Which set of equations can be used to find A, the amount of money the class raised in a fundraiser? Oops. So what did they sell first of all? Did they sell all the same things or did they have different items at their fundraiser? That's the first part we got to see. They have different items? Daniel? What did they sell?
They sold 163 stickers and
All right. Okay, let's stop right there. So we know they sold 163 stickers. How much did those stickers cost? First of all, we're going to do this part by part. How much did each sticker cost? Were they
each.
$3 each.
$3 hairs. Hold on, guys.
$3.
$3 hairs. I say doll hairs. It's going to get used
Yeah, $3 hairs.
It's going to get used to it.
That's how I like to say it too sometimes.
And now I'll show you in a second. $3 hairs. We'll get there. Trust me. I'll show you what you did wrong, and I guarantee you are going to be able to fix it immediately. So what do we do? Are we going to multiply? Are we going to add? If each one costs that amount.
Multiply.
No, girlfriend. So 163 times 3 equals, I don't know what it is. Somebody probably already got that. But I'm going to multiply over here. 163 times 3, we said? 163 times 3. What's 3 times 3? Anybody, just unmute yourself and sound off. What's 3 times 3? I heard 9.
489.
I heard RJ. 489. Was that you, RJ?
489.
No, that wasn't RJ. That was Vida, maybe. 480.
RJ. But then
What's
right whenever he said I was gonna say it.
Oh, good job, RJ. 489. Bingo. And then what else did they sell? Did they only sell pencil or stickers? Gave you the other part.
They sell pencils.
Pencils. They're selling all kinds of good stuff. Must have been the book fair. And how much did each pencil cost?
$2.
2 doll hairs each. Oops, I should have highlighted $2. Okay. Y'all wondering why I'm doing it?
In the future, dollars is gonna be called doll hairs.
So what are we gonna multiply again now? This is tough.
184 times 2.
Yeah, 184 times 2.
Oh, let's see. RJ, did you answer that one already? 184.
I already answered it.
Uh-oh, my starting to rumble. We're gonna hear it. What's 4 times 2?
8.
8. And 2 times 8?
16.
All of these.
You better not be playing games. You better be doing your work. If you have work to catch up, then you better do it.
Somebody's getting in trouble. Daniel, I'm gonna meet
I'll be
you. Or was that Natalie? Was that you? Somebody's getting in trouble. 2 times 1 plus 1. What is it? Somebody was getting
368. 368.
Good job. I think it was Ozzy, wasn't it?
It's me.
Good job. 368. Now what do we do with these numbers if we're trying to find our total?
Add them together.
Goodness. We're gonna add them together. So 489 plus 368. So I think if you just look for these two numbers, there's only one answer choice with that, right? Equals.
It's D.
Oh, man. Daniel, is that what you got?
I got D2.
I got D.
Oh, let me see what you did wrong. Let me see. Oh, you remember each one of these are 2 different things. Slow down. Maybe.
Was the answer 859?
It may be. I didn't add them all together. Somebody can add them real fast if they want to. Let's try number 2. Or sorry, 5B or 6B. I'm all over the place. I lack of food. I think it was D, right? Yeah, D. Sorry. There's a lot of work on there. That one problem.
I found the answer.
Oh, let me see.
847.
Was it 847? There it was, RJ.
Huh?
847.
Added them together.
I guess I got it right.
Guess you got it right. Okay, I'm going to read it and then I want you to try it by yourself. Remember, look how I highlighted on my problems to distinguish the different items they're selling or whatever is going on. And if I were y'all, I would underline or circle them to make them look different, like I did. On Saturday, right here, 6, a frozen yogurt shop sold 3 containers of strawberry yogurt and 4 containers of vanilla yogurt. Each container of strawberry yogurt yields 97 servings. So yields means it makes 97 servings. Each container of vanilla yogurt yields 86 servings. Which set of equations can be used to find S, the total servings of strawberry and vanilla yogurt sold? Remember, what we did up here is very similar to what we're doing down here. So pay attention. I'll highlight my question. I already know. Some of you are going to be, I know. I'll be right back. I'm going to go check on Raylan to make sure she's doing okay.
Okay.
What happened to the breakout room? Did she leave? What happened to the breakout room?
Oh, it probably closed because it has a timer, right?
Well, no, but it has like an hour and a half timer. Hold on, I can see if she's testing anyways. Let me see. Maybe she had to leave Zoom because I know Mariah left earlier, which I'm gonna have to open her test back up. Okay, she's still testing. She may have just left her Zoom, or I can't find the breakout room. Let me see if I can find the breakout room. Oh no, here it is. Oh, here it is. Never mind. I'll be right back.
Miss Hernandez, you're muted.
I muted. My bad. That's what you're saying, Emma. Sorry. They have 3 containers of strawberry. What am I gonna multiply by? Who can tell me? Come on. And now I'm unmuted. Leave the chat alone, RJ and Charlie, unless it's like an emergency or something. What are we multiplying by? Where are you at? Turn your cameras on too. I'm gonna disable the chat. Charlie, leave it alone. Turn on your cameras. Or I'm gonna start kicking y'all to a waiting room. Natalie, what are we multiplying by? Come on. For our first one.
The first one, 3 times 97.
97 times 3.
I was gonna say 3 times 97.
What do you get when you multiply 97 times 3? Oh man.
291.
1. Oh yeah, 291. Yeah, 291. What's our next part, Vida? Sorry, I was muted earlier and I was calling on you.
86 times 4.
There we go. 86 times 4. 86 times 4. What do we get? Who can answer that one?
344.
Bingo. So we want to find the total servings of strawberry and vanilla they sold. What do we need to do with these two numbers?
Add them together.
Together, 291 plus 344 equals, I don't know what it equals. Equals S, right? What's our answer? Anello?
It's
I almost
I know the answer.
I almost picked F because I wasn't paying attention to this. Pay attention to these stuff.
It's minus.
yeah.
I wasn't paying attention to
It's G because all you have to do is like check on what order the
well, right.
X and plus were
Some
in.
this one too because they weren't paying attention to the symbol there. So you gotta really pay attention.
Yeah, but times minus, nope.
Let me see.
I added the two numbers together.
All right, are we ready to move on? Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
Make sure you have your math. Your math. Is that me pinging? No, that's somebody coming in. No, that's one of y'all. Make sure you have.
I'm not sure I understand.
What? That was me. I'm not sure I understand me either. Siri. Before we start our math, I've got make sure you have your math journal anyways, because we're going to be doing a lot of building. I don't think we're going to really be using a lot of these. You can do it with us, but I'm going to choose to draw them now versus anything else because those took way too long yesterday. I've got a PowerPoint that's got the objective on it. Let me share my screen. I didn't realize it was already like 1. It was already 1:15. Like, how is that even possible? How is that even possible? And there's a video on here too. We do a lot of area model today is what I plan on killing and drilling. Can y'all see it? I don't know, that goofy little guy. Yes?
Oh yeah, I've seen them before. Like those videos.
Let's see, 2 by 2 multiplication, area model and partial products. Is that me, Sue?
It had kicked me out.
Oh, okay. That's me, because I put a ping when somebody enters the room. It pings me now. Lets me know you are leaving. Ooh. Objective. Emma or Daniel. Which one of y'all wants to read this? That little X. Who is leaving now?
I can represent the product of 2-digit numbers using area models and partial products.
Okay, hold on, let me see. I may play the video. Key information, hold on guys, because I gotta go help Raylan real fast. Let me see what we're doing. Hold on, breakout room.
Oh, somebody left.
Okay, sorry, I'm gonna close this breakout room. Okay, let's go back to what we're doing. So, multiplication, key information. There are many ways to solve multiplication problems. Y'all will learn this. I showed y'all a few yesterday. You copied down in your journal. Pay attention. One way is using the partial products method to multiply. Partial products are the products obtained in the intermediate steps of the multiplication problem. So that is like when you break apart, like into the area model, you have your partial products there that it gives you. I'll show you in a little bit. The partial products represent the product of parts according to their place, value, or each factor. In order to use partial products, you need to understand how to multiply by the power of 10. That's those trailing zeros. I think I was with, no, I wasn't with y'all with trailing zeros. That was somebody else. Charlie, we don't leave until like 2:42. If anything, we will have a break in a little bit and you can get a snack in about 25 minutes. Vocabulary. Ooh, area. You'll learn this. The numbers of unit squares needed to cover a flat area. So like if you're trying to build a big fabulous house, they're going to want to know what is your square feet, or what is the area of your house? Like when any of y'all's parents looking to buy a house or anytime soon, or maybe put down, if you're going to put tile down on the floor, you need to know the area. You want to know the right amount of tile because you don't want to have to buy too much tile for your house and you waste all that money. Arrays, a set of objects arranged in a row and columns. 4 going across. See, they have it that way though. So this is what we were building yesterday. We're going to skip some of this because we're not touching that this week. We're not touching this week. I'm skipping. Multiply. Ooh, who's leaving and coming in this Zoom meeting? Multiply the product result of one number multiplied by another number. So that's when you're multiplying 5 times 9, you get 45. Multiply or multiple the product of a number and a counting number is called the multiple of that number. So these are our multiples or the product, I guess. Partial products, we'll go over this in a little bit. Right here are your partial products. So quick question, how did if you add these two numbers, what do you get? 10 plus 9, what do you get?
19.
19, so that's their partial product. They're breaking it apart to where there's at least a number with a 0 right here.
So do you mean like
go back, sorry.
20 and 7?
Yeah, like 20 and 7, and then say you're multiplying 27 times 31. You would have 20 and 7 either on the top or the side, and then
30 and 1.
Yeah, so that's what they mean. And we're going to go over this a lot here in a little bit. Like we're talking at least 10 problems, and you're going to be like, what? I think somebody said yesterday they've done this in 3rd grade, I think. Maybe not as with 2 numbers, but they've done it in 3rd grade.
Half of the class has done it. I've done it with 2 numbers, just that I tried to do it the algorithm.
I saw what you did wrong the first time. It's just you didn't go down, you didn't put your place value there, but I'll show you, and trust me, I know you'll catch up and you'll get it. But some of y'all have done, I think, area model with 2-digit by 1-digit, I think, in 3rd grade.
Yeah, I did that with Miss Gonzalez.
So maybe like 10 times 9 or something y'all have done before, where it would just be like 10 up, or it would be like 11 times 9. You would put 10 and then a 1, and then you'd put 9 on this side. Y'all kind of familiar with the area model, the window, the box. I don't know what y'all called it last year, but we'll see. Area model, we get to watch a video. Y'all are lucky today. Listen to the song and sing along if you would like.
Oh, I watched this in 3rd grade before.
What was that called? The area model?
Yeah, we watched it before.
Danilo, that area model looked more like what you were telling me yours looked like, where it had the longer rectangle, right?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, this one. So commercial.
Do your students like watching explosions, cute animals, and awesome science experiments? Then
was planting green beans, 14 rows of 15. The area model is how he thought about the number of plants he got. First he multiplied 10 by 10 and wrote 100 with his pad and pen. Then he multiplied 10 by 5, there were 50 more plants coming alive. Then 10 times 4 equals 40. and just the bottom corner was empty. So he multiplied 5 by 4 and ended up with 20 more. Split up.
So pay attention because we're going to be doing a bunch of this in a little bit. Little wizards.
Place values in multiplication. Multiply the tens to get the foundation. Then the other place values get multiplied. Add the partial products up and check your work twice. Then the farmer planted black beans in 22 rows of 15. To find out how many plants he had, he drew the area model on his sketch pad. He did 20 times 10 and wrote 200 down. Then 10 times 2 and 20 is what he found. 20 times 5 was 100 and then 5 times 2 equaled 10. He added 200, 120 and 10. The sum was 330. He checked it again. So there are 330 black beans in 22 rows of 15.
So, like Anello mentioned yesterday, this is kind of the way maybe y'all saw it. Mine looked more like a square. It doesn't really matter which way you draw your picture as long as you got 4 little squares in there, or rectangles. It's all the same.
Split up the place value, 22 rows of 15.
Oh, so what are we going to break? Let me see. What are we going to break 15 apart into? What partial products? Who can tell me?
10 and 5.
5. Somebody else tell me what we're going to break 22 into. It has to have
20 and 2. 20 and
20 and 2. Oh my goodness, look, you're already ahead of the game.
Split up the place values in multiplication. Multiply the tens to get the foundation. Then the other place values get multiplied. Add the partial products up and check your work twice.
What was this?
Degrees with your hands in the air with me.
Whoa, that was what video was that? That was one. What's that? Okay, now ready to start? But before we start, we're gonna do some sketching and then we'll go into, why is this not exiting out of the slideshow? We'll go into area model. So pay attention. Okay, write this down on your piece of paper. We're gonna sketch it first, which means we're gonna draw it with our pencil. So 11 times 12. Natalie V, is that you? Okay. Natalie V, are you on here? You are on here. Everybody's written this down. 11 times 2. We're gonna solve this. We're gonna sketch it. Are we ready?
You said 11 times 2.
Oh, my bad. 11 times 12. Sorry. We're going to draw this. So, how many am I going to have? And this is a trick. You don't have to. You can either have 12 going down or 11 going down. But let's have 14, or let's have 11 going across. So let's draw 12 of these bad boys is what I'm trying to say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are our base 10s. These are what these are. Let me show y'all for some of y'all that were not here yesterday. These are our pretzel stick. Y'all that were in my class, my original OG class.
I thought you were gonna put 11, but you put 10.
Did I put 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops. 11. Okay, we can do 11. We can have 11 going down. And then how many is going to be in each one of these columns going across? We have 10. We need to add how many more to get 12? This is confusing. How many
2.
more? So each one of these is going to have 12 in it. So 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Trust me. To me, this is faster than building it with the pictures, but I know some of you are going to want to build it with the pictures. So we have
Miss Hernandez.
9, 10, 11. We have 11 going down, and then we have 12. Hold on, Daniel. We have 12 going across. Oops. Yes, Daniel.
No.
Daniel, you have a question?
I'm just going to go and get my charger. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. Go ahead. So each one of these represents a tens rod, or we call these. So this is the same thing as this. There's 10 in one of these. So there'd be 10 and then 11 and 12. It would look for some of you that are, and I think, yeah, 11 and 12. So this is what each one of those looks like if I build it out. Are y'all drawing this, sketching it? Emma, did you already solve the problem? I feel like you probably did. Hold on. Let me sketch it out with my pictures. Y'all look stressed. Y'all look stressed. I know Natalie's gonna get it right because 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm gonna do it 2 different ways for y'all. 2 different ways. 2 different ways. This is the same thing. Do it 2 different ways for y'all. Y'all keep working and solve it for me. Tell me what y'all get. How much is there? 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Waiting for y'all to tell me. Somebody's got to know. 8, 9.
I'm using the area model instead because it's easier.
Oh, I'm trying to use the air. Oh, look at you. Okay, okay. I'm not gonna tell you no. I am not gonna tell you no to that. I'm showing it 2 different ways for y'all. I have somebody trying to use the area model already. I'm not gonna tell you no to that one. That's for sure.
Yeah, because a lot of kids do area model like that way.
Y'all can do, like I said, I'm not gonna tell y'all no to the area model. The only reason I'm showing you this is because it may give you a picture like this, and you're gonna have to tell me how much is there. It's gonna ask. I've seen it. It's not on this week's test, but I've seen it like on a STAR test. It'll give you a picture like this, and it's gonna tell you solve the equation or how much is shown in the picture. That's the only reason I do it this way. Otherwise, I really don't like this way either. I'm gonna be honest.
I sent you my answer.
Some of y'all may know. This takes way too long anyways. This takes way too long. Look, I'm still doing it. I'm the teacher.
So you're gonna put 11 10s and then 12 blocks? I mean, little.
Yep.
More
than 12. You have to have 12 in each row though, or each column. Yes. I didn't want to use these, but I'm showing y'all just in case later on at home you're like, I want to use the things to solve for it, or the pictures. Some of y'all may be easier to use this. I don't know. To me, it's easier just to draw it. Look how long it's taking me to do this. It took me forever. Let alone y'all. It took y'all forever. Okay. So there's 2 ways to do it. Do I have enough 10s or pretzel sticks to replace with a graham cracker or 100? Do I have enough? Somebody tell me. Do I have enough?
Yes.
How many do I take away, Natalie, to make? How many of these pretzel sticks do I take away to make one of these?
10.
10. So 1, 2, 3,
10.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm left with 1 lonely. Okay, got my 100 there. That's the same thing as 10 of these little sticks. Keep that one. What about our ones? Can we regroup some of those into?
Yes, you can make 2 10s.
Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
You can only regroup 1 10.
Is it? Are you sure?
There's
no.
two.
We can regroup two of them, I think.
4, 6, 8, 10. Oh yeah, there's 2.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, now let's replace it with a 10. Okay. And then we're left with what? For y'all that have already solved, how much is here?
132.
132. And that's what 11 times 12 is 132.
Let me see, where's Charlie at? Charlie, where'd you go? You go get snacks? Dominic, what did you get? Natalie V, Angelina, what'd y'all get? Did y'all get 132? Braylon, I know you were gone.
Yes.
Okay, not that we've done a lot. We did a lot of it yesterday. Charlie, pay attention.
Can we do one by ourselves?
Okay, so let me show you the area model for this one problem. I will let y'all eventually. I can give you a whole bunch of these papers. I can give you a whole bunch of these. So now
I did the area model.
Area model. So some of y'all may already be here and want to do the area model, and that's perfectly fine with me, or the window. So I'm going to break apart these two numbers up here into tens, or a number with at least a 0. What can I break 11 off into to have a 0? I can make what and what?
10 and 1.
10 and 1. Okay, and now I got to do the same with 12. What can I do there?
10 and 2.
10 and 2. This is when it gets tricky, because then sometimes y'all don't know where to multiply.
You have to multiply 10 times 10.
So Natalie says multiply 10 times 10. Correct. 10 times
Multiply 10 times 10, that equals 100.
100. Okay, and then what do we multiply next?
10 times 1?
No, you multiply 10 times 2.
We do 10 times 2 for this box down here.
10 times 2, and then 10 times 1.
Nope. You got, oh, okay. That's why you're saying 10 times. Oh, okay. I thought you were talking about these two. Sorry, Viva. 10 times 1. I should have made
And then 2 times 1.
And then 2 times 1.
times 1, and you get 2. And then what can you not forget to do with all of these partial products? What do you need to do?
Add all of them.
You need to add all of them. So 100 plus, I'm going to do
And 132.
Look, we have it a million different ways. I think this way, once I kill and drill with y'all, is going to be the way most of y'all will answer your problems on Friday. I'm making a mess. Let's do another one. If you are comfortable and want to try the area model, you can do the area model and you will not have to sketch it. That's fine with me. I'm still sketching it anyways for most of these. But if you're getting them wrong, you are drawing them with me. Let's do number 2. You have to be doing these with me because this is a skill that I can tell you is forever going to be questioned on your test in the future. So you can give me a smaller set of numbers. You want to do like 20? No, that's too much. Let's do, I gave y'all one earlier. Let's do 15 times 15 equals what? So, okay. So we're going to have 15 lines going down, which I'm going to have to squeeze into here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And how many ones do I need behind this 10? I need to make at least what? I need to make 15. So how many more do I have to add? Somebody tell me. Come on. Besides Natalie. Somebody else. We have 15 going down. Oh, who left our Zoom meeting? Who left our Zoom meeting?
I don't know.
How many do I need going across, Vida? I have 15 going down. I need
15 going across.
1. I need to add 5, right?
Yep.
All right.
Because if it's 15 going across, that means it's going to be 5.
Yep, you're going to add 5. Good job. Natalie V, are you getting this? I don't want a million questions on Friday. Oh, I don't know what to do.
Do I send you my answer?
Sure, you can go ahead and send me your answer.
Okay.
There's 5 dots behind each one of these pretzel sticks, or 5 Skittles, as y'all know in my old class. Trust me, if you are in my class right now, we would be doing this with pretzels. And who's leaving and who is coming?
Well,
That was Randy.
Going back.
No, I just left because no, it wasn't me that kept on going back and then I just left because the Zoom was lagging.
Okay. I think you're right, Natalie. Takes a while. So we got a 15 by 15, I guess, array. So 15, and then we have 15 over here. Because each one of these lines is 10, and then each one of these dots is 1. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, all the way down. Oops, let me let it focus. If you want a break, I'm going to need some answers besides Natalie for this. I need somebody besides Natalie. Natalie, I can send you another problem in the chat if you would like. Sound like a plan? Let me see. I was going to do 15 times 15. Okay, Natalie, let me see. Challenge you, girlfriend. Anello? Let's do, you want a big number, Natalie? 22 times. Okay.
We're sending our answers?
You can if you want to. You've got your answer already. Okay, Angelina, good job. I know, good job, Anello, Natalie, Angelina. Let's see.
I'm doing it algorithm way.
Are you? No way. Let
Yeah.
me see. You fixed it?
I'm just been writing them. I've been reading. I have a book right next to me that I've been just reading it. Well,
let me see it. Wait, let me see it again. Or like kind of close. Beans and cheese. How did you get 225 though? Like I said, it's right.
I just put. Wait, did I show the answer?
You showed the answer. I mean, it's right, but I want to know because all I see is 225.
Oh, I multiplied 5 times 5, which equals 25. I didn't put the 2 up there. I put it below. Then
let me see. Let me give you another one. Let me see if you can get it right.
I forgot how I did it.
I don't know, because I just see 225 there. So I'm like, what? How did you get it? Not that it's not right, but I want to see how you got it using your head.
Can I do the one, just a private one, so I could do it again, and then
let me see.
And then I could say the steps as I'm going because I forgot what I did.
Wait, Miss,
go ahead.
I got the answer from the paper, so can I?
22 times 5.
Yeah, y'all can send them to me once y'all get them. So I know y'all want to break.
I gave you my answer.
22 times.
Oh, Natalie.
15. 22 times 15, right? Okay, so 2 times 5 equals 10. I don't put the 2 for like regrouping. I just put it below as the answer. Then I multiply 22 times 1. Then it gives me 22. So I add the 2, which plus 1 equals 3. Then I drop the 2, which gives me 230. But I don't think that's right. No, I don't think that's right.
I forgot to add something somewhere.
Times 5 equals 10.
There we go, Natalie. What'd you mess up on?
I forgot to multiply one of the numbers.
So yeah. You forgot to multiply the 5 times 2, didn't you? No. Wasn't 5 times 2. It was something else. Trying to think of how Anello got it. The way his brain is answering it. Who can tell me if we have enough right here to regroup on our 10s, our pretzel sticks? Do you have enough to regroup into 100s? Anybody can answer. Come on, I need your help. Do we have enough?
Yes.
100? Yes. How many am I gonna take of these pretzel sticks to make 100 to make a graham cracker?
10.
10. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I sent you the answer.
Okay. Should have done.
Oh, I know what I messed up on.
Okay, so I'm gonna cheat the system and I'm gonna make this my hundreds. So I just made this bad boy 100s. Look how I did that. Y'all see that? That's cool, huh? Whew. Do I have enough of these to make 10s? Oh man, I have plenty, don't I?
Yeah, we have a lot.
Okay, so let me do this as 1. This is a 10. Okay, I'm gonna make these into 10 because there's 5. I'm counting by my 5s. Here's a 10. Ooh, here's a 10. Oh my goodness. Here's a 10. I'm making 10.
It's time for recess, right?
Almost. I said when we finish this problem. Okay, we got 10. Okay. Ooh, I have a lot of 10s. Look at all the 10s I have now. These and these are 10s here. Let me make them look like 10s. Do I have enough 10s now I can make another 100, you think? Pay attention. Do I have enough of these 10s I can make into 100? I know y'all want to break. I do too because I want to snap.
Did I get it right or no? I think I might have gotten it wrong.
Do I have enough 10s to make 100? Come on. I'm going to shorten your breakup if you aren't answering. Nope. Hello. Do I have enough of these 10s to make one big 100 again? Hello. Okay, we'll keep working.
Yes.
I hear Natalie, but I need to hear somebody else.
Yes.
Angelina, yes, thank you. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to cross out these. How many was that? 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then I'm going to cross out 3 of these. I'm going to get rid of them. And I'm going to make a big 100 again. These are my 100s. I'm crossing this out. So I have 102. Oh, 102 10s. I'm going to move these 2 10s over here so you can see. So I have 102 10s, and then I have 5 up here left of 1. So how much is my total or my product? I have 100.
225.
There's 100 here. So 100, 200, 20, or 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 225. That's my product. Emma, is that what you got? Okay, you're like really quiet over there. The rest of y'all, I heard Angelina. I think you see my answer.
A couple minutes ago. And it,
I feel like I keep on getting it wrong, but I don't know why.
We'll have to figure it out. I know. You'll have to show me on here. Okay. We have a break until what time is our break? Till 2:05. I'm leaving the Zoom on.
Wait, I got my answer. Is it 3:30?
Yep. We have our break till 2:05. I'm leaving the Zoom on. So a break until 2:05. Be back at 2:05.